Welcome to another Scibids demo. Today, we are going to provide an overview on Scibids AI and how to activate it for your programmatic campaigns with a focus on Scibids interactions with Xandr Invest DSP. In this video, we're going to show you how to navigate the Scibids UI and the impact it has on your Xandr Invest DSP using 3 screens: Scibids UI, Xandr before Scibids, and Xandr after Scibids. Let's first take a look at the Scibids UI. Here you can find all the campaigns to which you have given access across your different DSPs. For this video, we'll take a look at a Xandr Invest campaign. As usual, you will find information about this campaign in the UI, such as its media cost at day 1, its fit score that indicates how fit it is to be optimized by Scibids. Click on the Add button on the right of the screen to plug Scibids on this I/O. Now, before we plug the I/O, let's go see what our campaign originally looked like in Xandr before activating Scibids AI. Here, we can see a typical Xandr Invest insertion order with basic information about budgeting, line items, billing period, targeting. If we go a bit further, at the line item strategy level, we can see some typical settings. Pacing is set on 100%, LI budget are fixed, underspend catch-up is set on evenly, day parting set on any time, daily pacing allocation set on evenly, optimization method is set on CPC, frequency set on 10 per day, viewability set on 50%. We have seen our campaign in Xandr, now let's plug Scibids on it. Back in the Scibids UI, we can now click on Add to plug Scibids on our campaign. Now, 4 easy steps have to be completed to instruct the AI with the necessary information about the campaign optimization. The first one being the core setup. The 4 first fields, budget type, business model, margin constraints, and KPI, concern the revenue model of your campaign and are automatically filled with the setup observed by Scibids AI in your DSP. You are then invited to indicate the source of truth regarding the attribution of your campaign. Finally, you can add a maximum and a minimum CPM target that the algorithm needs to respect. We are now in other important metrics. You're invited to fill the optional viewability constraints you may have and also the max frequency cap you need to respect on your campaign. Next step, authorized overwritings. That's where you'll choose what can be overwritten or not by the Scibids AI. There are 5 different overwritings available. Viewability settings. Automatically authorized if you indicated viewability constraints in the previous step. Budget distribution between line item. Time parting. Fold position. Creative activity status. Once you have filled these steps, a final step is required to confirm your selection. If everything looks good, then you can validate and Scibids AI will push its models just a few hours later. Scibids AI is now ready to optimize your Xandr campaign according to the brief and constraints we instructed it. Let's go back to Xandr and see what happened to our campaign after a few days of Scibids being activated. At the insertion order level, we can see that pacing settings have been added at the I/O level to allow free allocations between line items. Budget type and budget total remain unchanged. Budgets were turned to unlimited across line items. Viewability and targeting settings remain unchanged. Frequency and recency settings are set at the I/O level. Now, let's take a look at the line items. As we've seen before, budget was changed to unlimited. Underspend catch-up, day parting, daily pacing allocation remains unchanged. In terms of optimization, the method has changed to custom models and the priority went from delivery to performance. Viewability changed to 20%. The AI will still ensure the level of viewability indicated in the UI. The programmable splits remain unchanged. Scibids fee has been added to be taken into account. Our campaign is now being optimized by Scibids, which will refresh its custom models at the line item level every time it's necessary. That's how Scibids AI works at scale across all of your campaigns and DSPs. Thank you for watching.